DZ, Git, DS, Git file. Okay. So what are their main.java, MNP, PQR, XYZ? What are their main.java, ABC, MNP, PQR, XYZ? Where is ABC? ABC 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now you understood. So here, so there is a terminal symbol. What is that? Terminal button. Okay. Click this terminal, new terminal. Okay. So you are in the which terminal? What this is? This is a uh,
PowerShell.
so PowerShell. If you click here, that um,
Git Bash is
drop down, you can select the Git Bash.
okay.
Yeah. Now you are able to see Git
Okay.
Bash
Yes, yes, yes. Whatever we saw there.
here, right? So the same way we are
Okay, okay.
seeing here.
Mm,
Okay.
mm,
So where you are Git branch, what it is showing, it will show the list of branches. So how many branches we have?
Here, local one, there are five.
Yes, very good. Now Git branch hyphen A. So you are not synced with the Git. You see,
Now
a
you
new
pull.
branches,
Okay, now you pull from the remote
remote repository,
tree.
repository. Okay. Now
Now you
Git,
now you put the branch status means.
no, branch status or Git status you want to see. Branch status, right? Git branch
Uh,
hyphen A. You see, it will show the list of hyphen A is nothing but a. So
uh,
just branch is nothing but it will list the only local branches.
Local
If
branch.
you use the Git branch hyphen A, it will list the local
Mm,
branches as well as the remote branches. Local
mm,
branches as well as remote branches. Okay.
mm.
Now what you can do, Control L is nothing but a clear the screen or clear is nothing but a clear the screen. Okay.
Okay.
Git branch, get branch. What is the
Mm.
branch name? Future
iPhone one two
1, 2,
three.
3. Yeah. So it is switched to new branch or no?
No, it is in the main branch only now.
Main branch only. So if you use the Git branch future 1, 2, 3, just create the branches. Now you can see Git branch.
Mm,
So yeah, we have a two branches. But so now you are in the which branch? You are in the main branch only. I
mm.
want to switch from future 1, 2, 3. I want to switch from main to future 1, 2, 3. Git checkout hyphen git
B.
checkout.
Hyphen B.
No, no, no. Git checkout future
1 2 3.
1, 2, 3. Sorry, guys. I
Two
gave
times.
a space. I gave a space.
The two times 1 2 3 1 2 3 gave.
Hmm. Okay. Switch
Yes.
it to branch. Future 1, 2, 3. Now I am in the which branch?
Feature 1 2 3 branch.
Hmm. Git status. Git status. You see, before it is main branch. Now it's switched to future branch. You can
Yes.
switch by using git switch, or you can, if you click here, right? I clicked here. Okay.
Mm, 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 mm.
If you want to switch automatically main, once you click it, right, it will switch to
Yes.
directly main. Okay.
Okay, okay.
So if you want to switch, you can switch 1, 2, 3. Have you
Mm.
understood?
Yes.
Git branch. Future 1, 2, 3 branch.
Mm,
Okay. So I
mm,
want to create a Git. I want to create a branch and switch to that branch. Okay.
mm, mm. Git checkout.
Git checkout hyphen B bug 1, 2, 3.
Mm,
Okay.
mm.
Bug 1,
This
2, 3.
this is another branch.
Another branch.
Uh, okay, one only for bugs. Mm,
Yeah, only for bugs. Just
mm,
I'm taking whatever you want, you can take it. Huh?
mm.
1 second.
Yeah, sure.
So company, someone is pinging in my company. So now I switch it to directly that branch. Create the branch. Just you can use a switch branch. Now I'm again to meaning again back go to git checkout future 1 2. Now I am in the which branch, guys?
Feature 123 branch.
Feature 1 2 3.
ls abc main mnppq xyz. I'm adding another file. What is that?
1 minute, 1 minute. These are
Mm.
available in the main branch, right? Feature 123 branch is blank, correct? Hari?
No, if you if you if you create the branch from main branch, you see
Ah,
main branch having all these files. If you
okay.
create from the main branch, the other branch, all these uh, all these code will be copied from main branch to the other
Five branches.
branches.
But
Five
feature one,
branches.
two, three we created in
Local.
local.
From local main to. So you created a from the local main to new branch. Okay.
1 minute, 1 minute. Local
So you created a branch. Here, which branch you are in?
main branch.
So you are creating a branch.
Yeah.
You are creating a branch
We
from
are
the
not
main branch.
transferring the files, then how they are reaching to other branch?
So here also, are you transferring files here?
Yes, 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 yes.
Are you transferring files here?
No.
No, no.
By
Yes.
default, it will automatically copy the whatever the files we are there in the main, right? That's the reason. We are creating the branch from main branch.
Mm, mm,
Okay.
mm, mm.